Hi, I'm Charlotte Baker. I'm a Hobbycraft artisan and artist. Today I'm going to show you how to layer your watercolours. Let's get started. Subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. I'm going to use two different colours to show you the layering technique. Make sure the paint is dry before you start the layering, otherwise you will end up with a wet on wet effect. Now we're going to use the blue to show the layering. Watercolours are translucent, and so when you layer a blue on top of red, you'll get a lovely purple colour. This technique is good for glazing watercolours to create more intense colours. For more watercolour techniques and inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.